Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. And oh boy, has it been a interesting day. I've been watching the crypto prices for a little bit and it's been a roller coaster. I swear to you guys, it's been a crazy roller coaster. But that reminds me that you shouldn't let these crypto prices get to your head. I know it's difficult, but you really shouldn't. Be careful with this stuff. I know it's tempting to watch it every single day, every single minute, and feel something when the prices go down. But as I've explained a couple of my videos ago, I don't actually look at my portfolio anymore. This is just to prevent you from acting irrationally, because even though in the good days you might feel ecstatic and happy about it, in the bad days it might make you feel some type of way, where right now, all I am seeing here is just numbers. There's not a single piece of emotional attachment except for when coins hit like crazy all-time highs or go for crazy surges, purely because I'm ecstatic about the massive adoption that we are witnessing. Just a little tip from the old Dusty BC. All right, XRP researcher put this over on Twitter, and I have a question for you all. Did you actually buy any XRP below 20 cents? As XRP News wrote, "You're a freaking legend if you purchased XRP under 20 cents. You know what? I'm going to ask this exact same question over on Twitter because I've been getting a lot more active on Twitter nowadays. If you aren't following me there just quite yet, make sure you check it out. It is TheDustyBC. You might enjoy it. If we're talking about the price, it's pretty interesting. I told you guys all in my last video that the $1.14 mark, the place at which we just retested, is a nice area to buy XRP at, and that I wouldn't actually dare to buy too much higher than that, basically. Whilst this candle was happening, I told you all, going long right here is not bad because it's still a good position in general, but it's a little bit higher than I would like it to be. Now, luckily enough, if you didn't actually get to buy at the $1.14 mark, which again would be the, it's a little bit up there, would be the preferred area, you still had your chance to buy like the next hour or so once it came back to about $1.14.7 or 114.7, something like that, something along those lines. The lowest point being 114. You can check this one. This is the lowest point of the hour, 114.687. And from that point forward, if you actually bought the hour after I made that video, people were first hating, saying, oh, the price went down. You could have actually still made yourself about 2.8% at the peak, which again, with our leverage is about 28% or 29% on your trade, which is still very freaking nice if you ask me. Having said that, let's move on a little bit, all right? Guys, check out the Telegram. There's a Telegram right now for all the DustyBC members, or whatever you want to call it, the family. I just chat in there. If you ever have anything to say, just chat to me in there, but also to the community. There's a Discord, I know, but sometimes the Telegram group is just a little bit quicker or a little bit easier, which is why I also made one for that. So once more, a link for that is down below. Make sure you join it. It is worth it. It's a lot of fun. And the more people to join, the more busy and interesting I think it's going to get. All right, then. So one thing I shared on the channel a little bit earlier was that XRP got a new listing. Now, I went to check a little bit, and following my own analysis, Bitstamp took away XRP pairs a long while ago. This is December 25th, Christmas. In light of the SEC's recent filing alleging XRP is a security, we're going to halt XRP trading and deposits for all US customers on January 8th. Other countries are not affected. And now, I was a little bit confused when I just recently saw this announcement. Then we have enabled all order types for these pairs as XRP to USDT is in there. But what I've now gathered is that the only thing that's new is not that US customers have now been allowed to buy or anything like that. It's been the USDT specific pair. So XRP to Euro, for example, is already available on there, all good for non-US customers, but the USDT has now been enabled. So for people that trade to USDT like I do, it's amazing stuff, but you could already trade XRP on the platform, just not in the US. So this is kind of like a false hope type of announcement that might have pumped the price because, well, people do get quite ecstatic when there's a quote-unquote relisting, but it could be that the pump happened because of that hype, and then when the news came out that it wasn't actually this amazing of a deal, the price came back down. Then again, it doesn't really make a lot of sense if you look back to the fact that the price started to pump from a day further already. Let's see here. So this announcement came at about, let's say, whatever, like 9 or something like that. So even then, this big pump happened before, like regardless, because this came out about 10:48 a.m. Yeah, so no, this doesn't have a 1-to-1 correlation. Also, one thing I noticed is that a lot of you guys hold XLM. It's pretty interesting. Like, I thought the majority of my community was XRP, but make sure you press that like button and let me know in the comments section down below if you're actually holding XLM. There's right now not that many updates that I can give. Just recently we talked about the new AMMs over on Stellar. And for the rest, there's really nothing much that happened. But if you guys want more updates on Stellar or any coin for that matter, just put it down below and I'll get to it, all right? I have so much news to cover. Right now, a lot of it is XRP because that's what you guys want. But if you guys want other stuff, just put it down there below and I'll get to it. I swear to you guys, there's going to be a ton of the content of the coins that you would most like, unless they're shitty. If they're not in the top 100, I might not cover them. It depends on the situation. All right. XRP broke out again above the multi-month symmetrical triangle. This happened a couple of weeks ago too. We need confirmation though. So one thing that's really important to note is that right now we got a nice little breakout on the XRP pair, which again, guys, I am trading over on Bybit. Right now, over on Bybit, there's like thousands of dollars worth of bonuses, but I gave you guys a special deposit bonus as well. If you deposit money, there's only, I think, like 5 or so more spots left. I personally am giving you 10 BIT. This is only for people who are in the Dusty BC army, which is basically, you know, our community here, the I don't know, the group of trading, basically our trading group. If you trade once via spot, I think you're eligible, and I can give you 10 BIT, which is about $28 worth. I don't think you need to have a lot of money in there. I think it's just, if you trade once, you're eligible, and I can give you 10 BIT, all right? Please, make sure you check it out if you are interested in it, because I could give away 100 of them. That's the agreement we made. And I think 90 or so have been given away, but I'm not sure on the numbers exactly. It could be that we still have like 20 left. It could be that we have like 10 left. Make sure, however, that you sign up and deposit some and get yourself 10 BIT. If you are going to make an account anyway, right now is the highest bonus ever on the platform. Check it out. And a second thing is if you have 500 BIT, again, I'll let you guys know, there's a specific seal that you can buy. I think today is your last day to join, though. But I left it in the Telegram here, so scroll up a little bit in the Telegram, look at my last message, or one of my last messages. I explained to you guys exactly how you can join. Check it out, because that way you might turn, you know, $500 into 250,000. Who knows? But it's worth a try. Maybe not, but check it out at least. Make sure you check it out. I wanted to say we need a confirming candle afterwards. This is on a, I'm not even sure if this is an hourly, I think so, or daily. Could even be a daily here. We need a confirmation though the next day forward, basically, to make sure that we are, you know, basically sustainable in this sense. What we've seen a couple of times before, right here, for example, is that we broke out, and right now the exact same thing happened. If you really zoom in, the next day was red, or it's going to be red most likely, or the candles just come back down. We need a big breakout and then another like nice breakout candle afterwards before we can continue to basically think of even higher levels. Then again, it was a really nice retest to have here as it gets some enthusiasm back into the XRP community. Then Rand Nooner shared this over on his Twitter. Last 3 days, Facebook all in on the Metaverse. Microsoft entering the Metaverse, McDonald's giving away free NFTs, Burger King giving away crypto, Nike entering the Metaverse, mass adoption is here now. And I'll be making a video pretty shortly here about some of the best Metaverse coins, as a lot of you guys have been asking, what am I buying, what's the, you know, what are we doing, Give you guys an update on that, all right? Don't worry about it. I'll give you guys a small little update on what coins are best right now for Metaverse. Even though I'm not buying them too massively, I still think it might help a person out to just know which coins are inside of it, so I'll get to it. And then I have this post right here. Amir Ahmad shared, Kepler's golden triangle lies at the heart of the Bitcoin cycle, provides a novel system for assessing cycle progression, and reveals a secret geometric code capable of accurate price prediction of the Bitcoin cycle high. I just want to know for right now if this is stuff that you guys would be interested in. For example, cycle analysis for what makes a Bitcoin cycle the way it does and our theories behind it and whatnot. If you guys want it, I can do more updates on it, but I'm just not sure if this is stuff that you guys would like or you like more immediate updates on news and in price. Like maybe a far-fetched quote-unquote study, you know, you guys don't like. So I'm not too sure about that. Otherwise, I'll spend a little bit of time and come back to it. I think it's really, really interesting. However, it's going to take some time to explain. So if you guys want it, make sure you let me know by putting it in the comments down below and pressing that like button. And otherwise, You're just saying no. No, I definitely don't give you guys an update. All right, that was it for today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Little quick one, but I have so much stuff coming out today, so just stay tuned and make sure you press that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again in another crypto video later today. Make sure you join Bybit, make sure you check out the Telegram, and adios amigos.